to use circle to search on the Samsung A37 5G, take a look. You have to click and hold the home button or that line if you are using gestures. And now if you are looking for something, for example, I want to get more information about this wallpaper, where it was captured. So I have to just draw like this to select the area that I'm interested in, release, and now the Google will search automatically for this and we can find this information. So this is actually the image captures on a Brooklyn Bridge in the New York City, and we can find some other exact matches, for example the visual matches, for example for Instagram, from TikTok, from Facebook, and even from YouTube, as you can see. So yeah, that's basically how we can do this. There's multiple things. You can also copy some text that you cannot select, for example here. So you have to click and hold on the home button. Now we can mark this text, and as you can see, you can quickly translate this text, or you can, for example, copy this text.